What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Jobs report is coming out called JOLTS. That will probably move the market, depends on what's going on. The market has been looking a little red today. Bitcoin is forming a bullish triangle. We're going to take a look at the charts, and we're going to take a look at what could possibly happen. I think it's just probably creating a wick for the month of December, the lower part of the wick body. I'll show you what I'm talking about, and then we're going to take a look at non-meme plays. Somebody asked me if I like GLQ. I do. So we're going to look at some charts of those non-meme plays. And so without further ado, let's do this. Okay, Bitcoin. So I'm just I'm looking at this right now, and I added a couple lines, added this little line right here, and this one I added yesterday. So to me, it looks like this is a little triangle that it's in right now. Could we go to the lower part of this triangle? We've been there, right? That would be at around 92,228. Depends on what this jobs report says. I could see if this jobs report indicates a soft landing, right? Better than the last report. I can see this thing turning around and trying to attempt to break through this area. Once we break through this area right here, okay, boom, then we really have to just break the previous all-time high, which is at like 99,000 something, and from there I think we're just gonna get into the 100,000 because it is December right now. I think Bitcoin is just printing the lower part, the wick of what will prove to be the 1 month of the 1 month candle. As we see wicks on the bodies. Okay, so I'm guessing right now it's printing the wick, and then later on, as the month progresses, we're going to see the body much higher. We're going to see the body higher, and we're probably going to have a wick above it as well, and then the body below it probably close somewhere, and I don't know, 110,000 range, maybe even higher, but the wick will probably be higher than that. So December I expect to be a pretty good month right now. I think right now we're just printing the lower part, okay, like that. Okay, that's all that we're doing. No big deal. I have identified that triangle, so we should be good. Yesterday I mentioned to you that all these other markets are all-time highs. Even the CME futures hit 100,000. So it's just a matter of time. Okay, it's just a matter of time. Maybe we play in this triangle for a little bit longer, or maybe we don't. Again, today maybe today's the day we break out. But red days, look at it as opportunity, and there's a lot of buying opportunities right now, guys. Even stuff that wasn't around yesterday. For example, this one. This is on base called Chaos, and right now it's dropping. It could drop some more, but the interesting thing about this one, it's created by a meme. AI agent. Okay, Chaos on base, 15 hours old, 14.1 million in volume. 14.1 million in market cap. Look at that volume, 46.2 million. That's a lot. And it could be that it's just this is looking at it at an hour. Okay, it could be that it just consolidates, comes back down here. It does a little range. Okay. Maybe from here it starts dropping lower, so just wait it out. Again, these are things just to start looking at, not necessarily put money in, or maybe you could nibble, maybe from here it could just start popping back up, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I would wait, give it a day or two, to see what happens, see where the dust settles, and then if you still like the project, then if this volume continues, then yeah, definitely centralized exchanges will look to pick it up. Okay, it is created by an AI agent called Chaos. Interesting. A lot of people are talking about it. Got great numbers, but again, maybe just a quick little. Again, yesterday, if you're gonna put $100 in, maybe put in $25 and then just kind of wait. Wait a day, wait a couple of days. All right. But let's take a look at. This is kind of a meme play. Let's take a look at non-meme plays, okay? Because my portfolio originally was non-memes. I didn't really believe in memes, and my portfolio did over a 5x when I started buying. Let me just go back here. I was really proud of my portfolio because I planned it really well. I started buying somewhere around here, right? And then I just kept buying. But the biggest chunk was basically around here, okay? And then from when this got up here in March, my portfolio was up over 5x, over $500,000. So I do got a good eye, and do I still believe in the projects that I would have picked? I mean, I had like 68,000 in Rio. Okay, let's go back to look at these things on the daily. All right, I think I would have sold. I think I would have sold off the majority of it after all the FUD. But look, even Rio's moving up, and I thought that it would, right? I just don't think it's going to go up as high as I originally thought that it would. Right? Maybe it kind of hangs out right here. Eventually, these things will stop pumping it, and then it'll go back to probably memes, right? But I mean, if you are looking for non-plays, I wouldn't necessarily look at Rio. This is just an example of my ability to pick. What would I look at? What would I still believe in? I'd still believe in Credifi. Low market cap, less than 20 million market cap. Okay. I would still look at, to a lesser degree, Trias, but it has woken up, right? It has woken up, and this was my highest conviction play, and it's good to see this. Okay. And after this consolidation, it looks like it still maybe has some more room to run. Right, I think it's up maybe against resistance right here where it's at, maybe $9 or $10. So yeah, but I wouldn't put as much as I did. I had over 3,000 of these things. I probably would have sold off some when I saw all this. I would have been like, you know what, let me get out of it. I would have still been in profits even at these lows. Right, this is not a full chart. This is just a MACD chart. I would have still been in profit. So I mean, I probably would have sold and put it into memes like Miggles and Toshi at the time. I'm thinking, but you know, something to look at. Try as yeah. Creo Engine, I still believe. I think gaming is going to do extremely well. Creo Engine, this chart looks bullish. It looks like it's still going. Although it might start consolidating here. It might come back down here. Test 0.048. It might. Soonverse, looking like it still wants to keep going up. I think it's going to try to go up to a penny. Okay, just super low market cap. Creo's like at under 20 million market cap. Soonverse is like at a 2 million market cap, guys. A gaming play. Okay, Neural AI. I had over 700 of these things. That would have been like 10 grand right now where it's at right now. Stolen, gone. Neural AI, because I bought in at like $2 down here or something like that. All right, it's at 13. It's been as high as 15. I think this is a good project. I think this could do really well. And I know, I guess another YouTuber recently talked about it, so it did help pump it up, but I identified it a long time ago. Landshare, I think is do really well. I think it's a real world asset play. I was focused really heavy on real world assets, AI and gaming. STBU, no. UBX hasn't really done too much. Maybe put a little bit on there. Synverse, ooh, moving up. Look at that. Let's go, baby. Synverse, I'm hugely bullish on, right? And I still am. I'm still bullish on it. These were the lows, and finally it's moving up. I like it. Very happy to see this. Let's go, Synverse. Prop base, I think is going to do well as well. Another real world asset play. Tectum, I know people are bullish on it. It's all right. I'll put maybe a little bit of money on it. I bought this really low. I bought this at like $4 or something like that. I can't even remember. Doesn't matter now. All that stuff is gone. Yeah, $4.46. Okay, it's at $10. I mean, when it was at $45, it was more impressive. All right, but this is what I learned. You gotta sell. You gotta sell. You gotta sell if these things pump that high during the mid cycle, right? They're gonna retrace a lot. So you gotta sell. Lesson learned. Nakamoto Games, I would have been buying. I bought Nakamoto Games late. I think I bought it again at $1.99, so I'd still be under there, but it was a smaller position, tiny position compared to what I bought here. A bigger position at 42 cents, and I bought that late. So $1.56. OREI looks like it's gonna crush it. Okay, OREI. I was bullish on OREI. What did I buy that one at? $2.43, man. Unbelievable. Scammers, I hope you all die. Veracity, I was less bullish on once it started dropping below my average buy price, and now it's above my average buy price. I don't know. I could probably get up here to a penny, right? Still have a penny. There's a lot of projects I think that are better with less baggage. Okay, but I mean, even Veracity's going up. Gamercoin, it looks all right. WeCoin is an interesting one too. Another real world asset play, and it's moved up a good pump, a good bunch recently. Good amount recently in the last few days. Right now it looks like maybe it's consolidating before the next leg up. Low market cap. Okay, focus on Latin America. Dynex kind of still been disappointing. LAI, disappointing. AGC, interesting play. Kind of like it. Looks like it's moving up. Okay. GLQ, am I still bullish on it? Yes, I'm still bullish on GLQ. I like the chart. I think that's got a pretty decent community, and it looks like a V-shaped recovery or inverse head and shoulders kind of. I bought this one pretty low too, but I sold too early. This one did like a 20-something X on me, but I sold it right here, and it moved all the way up here. Then I bought again here. Small bags though, nothing too major on that. I missed that. Although I did identify the inverse head and shoulders right there. So yes, those are the ones that I'd be kind of looking at. People in my Telegram group like XRP, I don't. Okay, eventually this thing's gonna retrace, like I've been mentioning to you, like all of them do, right? Oh, and it might be now. They're also looking at, for example, PAL. I guess they're looking at PAL. I'm not a huge fan. I mean, I don't know too much about it. Anyone, they're looking at that. It looks good bullish. Netmind, they're also looking at that. Cubic, they're also looking at Cubic. Looks bullish. Bello, I guess they're looking at that. Looks kind of bullish. I think it's going to get up here, but I'll do a technical analysis on them. You know, just look at the chart, not knowing about the actual project, obviously the fundamentals of it, just the chart to see what that looks like, and they do the rest. So that's what I do in the what's called. Let's take a look at others really quick. Others keep moving, although we're having a red day right now, and buying opportunity, guys. But who knows? You know, later today, right? If the jobs report comes out bullish, right, indicating a soft landing, then I think maybe we do kind of pump up and try to maybe to go for new all-time highs today. Who knows? Okay. We'll see. If not, then I could see us first area support is at 72,000. I don't know that we lose it too much. Maybe we wick down below it for a little bit like that. Maybe come down here to 90 and come right back. Okay. But again, anything right now is just buying opportunities, buy the dip, because things are going to keep moving up. Okay. We are in the best part of the cycle. We are in the best part of the cycle. So really enjoy it, study it, learn from it, you know, so that you can use what you learn now to your advantage later in the next few months, and then into the next cycle as well. Okay, always be learning, guys. We're gonna leave it there. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff helps. With all that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.